Welcome to Twin Hills Farm, an extraordinary 51-plus acres Tennessee estate where rolling hills, breathtaking 360-degree countryside views, and unmatched privacy create the perfect setting for your dream lifestyle. Whether you're searching for a luxury family estate, an equestrian property, or a private countryside retreat, Twin Hills Farm delivers endless possibilities on an incredible scale. At the heart of the property sits a beautifully designed 3,400 square foot residence with a freshly painted exterior and an interior ready to become your own custom masterpiece. The spacious layout is filled with natural light and offers the perfect opportunity to personalize every finish, creating a one-of-a-kind home surrounded by spectacular panoramic views of the Tennessee countryside. Outside, the estate is equally impressive. A sparkling swimming pool provides the perfect place to relax and entertain, while a separate guest house offers comfortable accommodations for family, friends, or extended stays. An expansive equipment barn adds exceptional flexibility for farm operations, equestrian use, workshops, vehicle storage, or recreational equipment. The rolling 50-plus acres landscape offers room to roam, explore, and create the lifestyle you've always imagined. Whether you envision horseback riding, hiking, farming, hunting, outdoor recreation, or simply enjoying the peaceful scenery, the property's open fields and sweeping hilltop views provide an unforgettable backdrop. Every sunrise and sunset showcases the beauty of Middle Tennessee from nearly every direction. Whether you're creating a luxury country estate, a multi-generational family compound, a working farm, or a private recreational retreat,